Hello, my name is Devin Forey-Vargas, and I'm going to be proposing a comparative study of social systems in the Mustelidae family and subfamily Lutrinae. Mustelids are part of the order Carnivora and family Mustelidae. They are also sometimes known as the weasel family. This proposal specifically will take a closer look at the subfamily Lutrinae, otherwise known as otters. Mustelids live anywhere from terrestrial to semi-aquatic and even marine environments. Mustelids typically display solitary social systems, such as the intersexual territoriality and intersexual overlap models. The intersexual territoriality model basically means females compete with each other for resources, and the intersexual overlap model means males compete for territory near females, leading to the overlapping of their territories. But some mustelids, like otters, have been found to display mixed-sex, promiscuous social systems, despite the typical model. Mustelids are known for their adaptive radiation, which is defined as phenotypic diversity stemming from a common ancestor. The objective of the study aims to determine whether the different environments, terrestrial, semi-aquatic, and marine, have an effect on the mustelid social systems. By doing this, we can get a better idea of how mustelids evolved and begin to fill evolutionary gaps and build continuously changing phylogenies. The study predicts that there will be a positive correlation between an aquatic environment and social system complexity, as well as a positive correlation between a terrestrial environment and a solitary species. Environmental factors that could affect the social systems are high predatory risk and poor food source quality. High predatory risk could increase social anti-predatory behavior, such as rafting, which is displayed in this image. Sea otters will band together in order to avoid predators by holding hands, and it can be up to 20 of them. Poor food source quality could encourage cooperative foraging in order to optimize their time. In order to conduct this study, behavioral observations will be done by continuous focal subject sampling, 60 minutes daily for a total of 2 months for each species. There will be 6 different species involved in the study, 2 terrestrial species, 2 semi-aquatic species, and 2 marine species. The study, therefore, will be conducted over a year's time period. Genotyping of each species will also be done in order to determine the relatedness. The following ethogram defines each behavior that will be recorded over the course of this study. The first behavior is interspecific aggression, and this is included in the ethogram in order to quantify predatory risk. It is defined as negative interactions such as biting, lunging, or loud vocalizations directed at members of a different species. Interspecific aggression is defined as negative interactions such as biting, lunging, or loud vocalizations directed at members of the same species. Play is defined as open mouth and tumble exchanges. Allogrooming as licking or sifting through the fur of members part of the social group. Scent marking as rubbing scent glands on objects in the environment, and cooperative feeding as more than one individual relying on one another to capture prey or retrieve a food item. The overall amount of time each social group spends collectively in the water will also be recorded, averaged, and compared. Determining the quality of each social group's food source is also critical and will be ranked on a 1 1 to 3 scale, 1 being the lowest quality and 3 being the highest, based on diversity and abundance.